When it comes to Windows of Glendale, Arizona, finding the right service provider is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Whether you're looking for residential windows or commercial windows, Glendale offers a variety of options to meet your needs. From energy-efficient windows to custom windows, the choices are endless. Energy-efficient windows Glendale are particularly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. With the right window installation Glendale service, you can enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Custom windows. Glendale offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home or business. Whether you're interested in bay windows, casement windows, or awning windows, Glendale has a wide range of options to choose from. Custom windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, but also improve its value. With the help of experienced professionals, you can design and install custom windows that perfectly match your style and preferences. Glendale's custom window services are renowned for their quality and attention to detail. Window replacement. Glendale is a smart investment for homeowners and businesses looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows with double-pane windows or upgrading to vinyl windows, Glendale offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Window replacement not only enhances the appearance of your property, but also improves its insulation and energy efficiency. With professional window replacement services in Glendale, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient living space. Energy-efficient windows in Glendale are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and increase comfort. These windows of Glendale are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Glendale energy-efficient windows come in various styles, including double-pane windows and vinyl windows, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. By investing in energy-efficient windows, Glendale residents can enjoy significant savings on their energy costs while also contributing to a more sustainable environment. Double-pane windows in Glendale provide superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which helps to reduce heat loss and noise pollution. By installing double-pane windows, Glendale homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable and quiet living environment. Vinyl windows in Glendale are a popular choice for homeowners due to their durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Our Vinyl Windows Glendale services offer a wide range of styles and colors to match any home design. With excellent insulation properties, vinyl windows are an ideal choice for those looking to enhance energy efficiency and reduce maintenance costs. For top-notch window installation Glendale, it's essential to choose a professional service that guarantees quality and precision. Expert window installers in Glendale ensure that your windows are fitted correctly, providing optimal performance and longevity. Whether you're installing residential windows Glendale or commercial windows Glendale, professional installation is key to maximizing the benefits of your new windows. Trusting experienced installers can prevent issues such as air leaks and water damage, ensuring your windows function as intended. Regular window maintenance in Glendale, Arizona is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Proper maintenance includes cleaning, inspecting for damage, and ensuring that window hardware is functioning correctly. Window cleaning Glendale services can help keep your windows sparkling and free from dirt and grime, while Window Screens Glendale can protect your home from insects and debris. By investing in window maintenance Glendale, you can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your Windows of Glendale.